Now we are starting here for our SYBSc class, Physics Paper 1, Thermodynamics and Kinetic Theory of Gases. The unit first, Basics of Thermodynamics and its first law. Basics of Thermodynamics and its first law. Now in this chapter, which point we have to study, that we can overview on these points. Introduction about the thermodynamics, thermodynamic variables, thermodynamic equilibrium, zeroth law of thermodynamics, concept of internal energy, first law of thermodynamics, work done by a gas, work done on a gas, indicator diagram, types of thermodynamic process, specific heats of a gas. There are two specific heats of the gas. Specific heat of gas at constant pressure, that is Cp, and specific heat at constant volume, that is Cv. Application of the first law of thermodynamics, compressibility and expansion coefficients, reversible and irreversible process that we have to see in this lesson or in this first unit. Now let us again we can observe here about the points to be covered in this unit. Now we can start our introduction. Now we can first see about the thermodynamics. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics deals with the transformation of heat. Thermodynamics deals with the transformation of heat. Now see here, we can have the word that is thermodynamics, thermo plus dynamics. We can write here it like this. Thermo represent about the heat. That is, we can see here, thermal, that depends on temperature, temperature is depends on heat. Dynamics means transformation. Dynamics means transformation. Heat transformation. That is, heat can be transferred into various forms of energy, and various forms of energy can be converted into heat. And all that transformation we have to study in the branch of physics, and that is known as the thermodynamics here. Now what is heat? Let us we can make this concept clear. Heat is, what is it? Heat is the form of energy. Heat is the form of energy. Many times you have the confusion between heat and temperature. If you ask the questions, what is temperature, that sometimes you may answer it as a temperature and heat are to be the same, but that is not the thing. Heat is the energy. Heat is the form of energy. लक्षात ठेवा हे heat काय एनर्जी आहे. हीट एनर्जी आहे. आपण त्याला जूल मध्ये मेजर करतो किंवा अर्ग मध्ये मेजर करतो. That depends on the choice of your system of units. But we have also assigned the special unit for the heat, and that unit is the calorie. Calorie or kilocalorie. एक स्पेशल युनिट दिलेला हीट साठी. आलं लक्षात ठेवायचं आता. हीट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. Then what is about the temperature? What is temperature? Temperature काय असतं मग? What is the temperature then? Temperature is the measure of heat. Temperature is the measure of heat. How much amount of heat contained in that body? How much amount of heat contained in that body? That information is given by the temperature here. We get the quantitative information.
from this quantity here, that is temperature. टेम्परेचर वरनं नेमकी त्या ठिकाणी किती हीट आहे याचं उत्तर तुम्हाला मिळतं. And then you can have the clear idea about the whether you can handle that subject, object or body, etc. there. तुम्हाला क्लिअर आयडिया त्या ठिकाणी येऊन जाते की किती त्या ठिकाणी प्रमाणात हीट असेल आणि वेदर यू कॅन हँडल इट ऑर नॉट. कळलं मग थर्मोडायनेमिक्स म्हणजे काय? थर्मोडायनेमिक्स मीन्स द ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ हीट. आपल्याला माहिती आहे हीट कॅन बी ट्रान्सफर्ड in various forms of energy. You have the number of examples. Heat can be converted into the various forms of energy, and various forms of energy can be converted into heat. The most common example here that you can see here, this picture. Now here you can see this is the engine, rail engine, that is, you know. Now basically what we have seen in early days, this engine works on the heat, that is, heat is converted here into the mechanical energy. Heat is converted into the mechanical energy. Heatचं कन्व्हर्शन या ठिकाणी मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी मध्ये केलं जातं आणि म्हणून ही ट्रेन या ठिकाणी रन होते बघा. या ठिकाणी लेट अस वी कॅन सी हियर हाऊ इट कॅन वर्क देयर. Observe this video here. Sir, the fire, that is heat, is produced there. The water evaporates, the vapor then exert the pressure, and due to that pressure the force is created there, and that may causes the running of the train. You can see here this picture that giving you the clear idea about the conversion of heat into the mechanical energy, that you can see here. Conversion of heat into mechanical energy here. Now we have the number of examples also there. We also familiar with the conversion of electrical energy into the heat energy. हा आपला कॉमन एक्सपिरियन्स आहे बघा. इलेक्ट्रिक स्टोव्हचं एक्झाम्पल, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जीचं कन्व्हर्शन हीट एनर्जी मध्ये झालेलं असतं बघा. इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द हीट एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिक स्टोव्ह मध्ये. that we can see here, this is the electric stove, and here you can see when we apply the voltage or electricity to this coil, the coil may get heated here, as you can see here. That is like this. That is, we have seen here two examples. Heat transformation, that is, in the first case heat is converted into the mechanical energy, or electrical energy is converted into the heat, that we have seen in the second example here. We have also various examples, that is, friction can be converted into the heat when two bodies slides over one over other, and if there is friction, that friction is then converted into the transferred into the heat energy there. Number of examples that we can have about the transformation of heat into the various forms of energy, and various forms of energy into the heat energy. Now, while studying this thermodynamics, first of all, we have to consider the system. We have to consider the system. आपल्याला एक सिस्टीम त्या ठिकाणी कन्सिडर करावी लागेल. मग सिस्टीम मीन्स what is the system? System is the finite quantity of matter, that is, you can see here. Here this is the particles that we can see here enclosed here, and that we can call it as a system. The finite quantity of matter is called as system. This finite quantity of matter is separated from its surrounding by this wall here. That we can see here. The particles are here. These are the particles. हे बघा particles तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी दाखवलेले आहे. ही wall असेल to separate these particles from the surroundings. Here we have the surrounding. Alakshat, the finite quantity of matter separated from the surroundings by means of a closed surface is called as the system here. Now, the system is specified by the parameters, by the properties like pressure, that is denoted by P, volume, V, and temperature, T. Pressure, volume, and temperature are the parameters of the system. The state of the system is depends on this pressure, volume, and temperature. We know the states of the system. There are solid, liquid, gases. These are commonly known to us, the states of the system. Three systems आपल्याला familiar आहेत. The fourth state of matter is plasma. Fourth state of matter is plasma. And fifth state of matter is Bose-Einstein condensation. The fifth here, fourth state of matter is plasma. And the fifth state of matter is Bose-Einstein condensation. That is, this is the condition at absolute zero of temperature. At absolute zero of temperature, we have to study the behavior of the particle. The behavior is different from all these states, and that's why it is the different state of matter. The sixth state is also about that condensation, that is at the absolute zero of temperature. Absolute zero of temperature means what? Absolute zero of temperature means the temperature below which it is not possible to cool the substance. The temperature below which it is not possible to cool the substance. म्हणजे काय आपल्याला माहिती आहे टेम्परेचर म्हणजे काय? टेम्परेचर काय करतो आपल्याला? हीटची माहिती देतो. हाऊ मच हीट इज कंटेन इन दॅट बॉडी. मग आपण जशी त्या ऑब्जेक्ट मधनं किंवा बॉडी मधनं हीट रिमूव्ह करत जाऊ तसं टेम्परेचर काय होत जाईल? कमी होत जाईल. द टेम्परेचर शुड गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. The temperature goes on decreasing. When we remove all the heat from the object, संपूर्ण हीट आपण त्या ठिकाणी काढून घेतलेली आहे बॉडी मधून. लक्षात, इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट बट इम्पॉसिबल नाही, बट इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू अचीव दॅट स्टेट. And when we remove all the heat, that state or that situation we can call it as a absolute zero of temperature. त्याला आपण म्हणतो absolute zero of temperature. It is the challenging task to achieve this absolute zero of temperature. जो कोणी absolute zero of temperature achieve करेल त्याला नोबेल प्राइज मिळेल. सिक्स्थ स्टेट साठी आपल्याला समथिंग नियरली अबाउट absolute zero of temperature मिळालेला आहे, and the Nobel Prize awarded to that person, that Nobel laureate. Now thus we have seen here about the system. Again we can see here the system means the finite quantity of मॅटर. एवढं लक्षात ठेवायचं तुम्हाला. आता याच्या दॅट वी कॅन सी हियर इज द सराउंडिंग that we can see here. We can call it as a surrounding here. Anything outside the system, anything outside the system which exchanges, that we can see, which exchanges energy with the system, which exchanges energy with the system and affects the behavior of the system is called as surrounding. Is called as surrounding. That we can see here. Here this is the system, and then outside is there is a surrounding. And universe, the system plus surrounding. Here this is the surrounding that we can see. System plus surrounding, and this is the universe here. This is the universe. The system and its surroundings both together, the system and its surroundings both together is known as the universe. Now see here, system, surrounding and universe that we have seen here. Now let us see about the types of the system. The types of the system are open system, closed system, and isolated system. There are three types of the system. Now let us first see about the open system. Here we can see that these are the particles that we can represent here by the blue balls here, that these are representing the system, which is here we can see this is the closed surface, and here the particles of the surrounding. These are the particles of the surrounding, and these are the particles of the system. In open system, what happens? There is a exchange of matter as well as energy. म्हणजे particles, सिस्टीमचे पार्टिकल्स बाहेर जाऊ शकतात, बाहेरचे पार्टिकल आतमध्ये येऊ शकतात. म्हणजे काय झालं? मॅटरचं एक्सचेंज झालं. देर इज exchange of matter between the system and the surrounding, and it is called as the open system. Here let us we can see how this can happen here. See here, the particle is can enter into the system, and that we can see here. सिस्टीमचा पार्टिकल बाहेर जाऊ शकतो, बाहेरचा पार्टिकल आतमध्ये येऊ शकतो. देर इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ matter as well as energy. There is exchange of matter as well as energy. Such type of system is called as the open system. आपण बघतो, समजा this is our room and here is the door. What happens? The air molecules can enter here. Air molecules from inside can go outside here. That is, the matter exchange can occur here. Similarly, we can see here the heat energy can enter into your room. Energy from your room can also go outside here. That is, there is a exchange of energy as well as matter here, and such type of system is called as the open system. याला काय म्हणतो आपण? ओपन सिस्टीम म्हणतो. That we can see here. The system which exchanges energy as well as matter with the surroundings. The system which exchanges energy as well as matter with its surroundings is called as open system. Now then we can say about the closed system. Now see here the system. Now in this case, the energy can be transferred to the surroundings. There is exchange of energy between the system and the surrounding. There is exchange of energy between the system and the surrounding. But there is no exchange of matter. The particles of the system cannot go outside. Particles from the surroundings cannot go and enter into the system. That is not allowed here. Only the energy can exchange here. Energy can exchange here, but not the matter. And such type of system is called as the closed system. The system which exchanges matter but not the energy. The system which exchanges matter but not the energy is called as the closed system. Here energy as well as matter, that is open system. Here only energy exchange take place, not the matter, that is closed system here. Now then we can see about the isolated system. In case of isolated system, that we can see here, the particles of the system that we can show here. Here it is the surroundings. Here it is the surrounding that you can see here. In this case, the particles can move here inside the system but cannot leave the system. बघा या ठिकाणी that you can see here, particles cannot leave the system. System च्या बाहेर हे particle जाऊ शकत नाही. Now the particles of the surrounding cannot enter into the system. आतमध्ये नाही जाऊ शकत आहे ते, बघा या ठिकाणी. That you can see here. They may have move here outside this system. Surrounding मध्ये move होत आहेत बघा ते, but they cannot enter into the system. And such type of system, that is we can see here, there is no exchange of matter taking place between the system and the surrounding. What is about energy? Energy can also not be exchanged here. या ठिकाणी एनर्जी सुद्धा एक्सचेंज होत नाही. Neither energy nor matter, and such a system is called as the isolated system. The system which neither exchanges matter nor energy, neither exchanges matter nor energy with its surroundings is called as the isolated system. Is called as the isolated system. As we have seen here, open system, closed system, and isolated system.